Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in famous Thap Phnom, Thailand, where the famous Wat Phra Thap Phnom temple is. Today we're going to eat at a Vietnamese restaurant here, a famous Vietnamese restaurant called Pho. Hang on, I got to look at the sign. Pho Brat Tu Com. Pho Brat Tu Com. Something like that. That's the name right here. But we're gonna get a combination of a few things on the menu. It's very hot today. So what dear hot? Okay, let's go inside where Paige is out of the sun, because only foreigners stand out in the sun. So I know I butchered the name of the restaurant. What's the name of it? I almost had it right. Actually, I think I did have it right. Pho is a Vietnamese soup. Prat Tu Com. That's the arch. Prat Tu is arch. Prat Tu Kong, like Nam Kong. It's all coming together. Of course, most restaurants in Thailand come with free ice and free water. But if you're lucky, you get some with Nam Cha, which is a tea. Beautiful lady คุณสวยวันนี้สบายดีไหมอร่อยไหมอร่อยมากค่ะอร่อยมาก Okay, we have 2 bowls of beef noodle soup. This is a Vietnamese noodle soup. Let's give the noodle soup a try here. Meat and meatball. Have a dish called Pak Mo Vietnam. Pak Mo Vietnam. then here comes our pizza Vietnam. Pizza Vietnam. Vietnam pizza. Okay, let's give this pizza a try here.
Jaw broken.
อร่อย All right, let's give this a try. This is real sticky too.
Đẹp bò à?
Mìnhยังถามเขาว่านักปลูกเป็นเจ้าว่าค่ะ
Bye bye. Bye bye.
มาถามคนจีนคนไหนกินเยอะเอามาหนาหนาทำมาจ้าเลยถามกันหมดคือเลิกเราโคตรหลายอยู่มาคำเอามาเลิกแล้ววันนั้นเรามาพอดีเจอน้ำดาวหลายเลยถึงใจก็น้ำดาวยิ่งเลย
One thing I love about Thailand is you can find this noodle soup just about anywhere. It's a little different in some areas. It's all kind of the same, but a little different in some places you can go. But this is a typical like lunchtime fast food noodle soup.
Nói tuy đợt là đi đâu thằng cô mèo cũng nói tôi thì đi đâu mà bên đây càng ốp còn bây giờ thôi
Noodle soup shop with a bunch of Vietnamese dishes. I don't think I've ever had a bad bowl of soup in Thailand. Oh yeah, some areas they like eat a lot of sugar, like Bangkok. They like a lot of sugar in their dishes. One thing I like about Isan is it's not really sweet, but it's more like spicy and sour. The Vietnamese food's typically plain. Well, I shouldn't say plain, just not so many spices.
I think your taste bud is different. Anything that's not spicy, they say plain.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Okay, thank you. อร่อยครับ โชคดีครับ
แซ่บสะอาดอนามัยดีแซ่บสะอาดอนามัยจีเซคลีน
ใช่คลีนสะอาดมาก
ค่ะ
แซ่บขนาด
แซ่บขนาด
แซ่บขนาดแซ่บนั่นเอง
Well, that was an awesome lunch for $5.33.
Yeah.
Can't beat that. I'm full. I'm like really couldn't finish all of that. But anyway, beautiful town. I hope you guys come visit Thap Phnom. Many good places to eat, really everywhere in Thailand. But a good bowl of goi tiao, which is a noodle soup, is easy to find. Anyway, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the No Time to Be Hungry channel. Click that like button. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.